In today's video, I want to talk about the browse AI. Okay, the easiest way to extract data and monitor data from any website. So what you can do, you can train a robot in 2 minutes and no code is required. So for anyone out there who's actually trying to extract data from any website, it is already known that it's a time-consuming process. Plus, you need to have some like programming skills, at least Python, or if not, and maybe Java is also available here. If it's also nice to have a JavaScript knowledge before you can start doing those type of requests for getting the data extracted from any website. Okay, so you need to have a skill. Plus, it is a time consuming to actually create those scripts, which will enable you to complete the task. So with the help of this AI tool, apparently you can do it without any coding required. Plus, you can train your robot in 2 minutes. So we're gonna see if what they say it is actually true. I believe it is, because I heard a couple of good things about this website. That's why I was decided to show it to you guys. I'm including the link inside the description of this video. So if you want to go and try it yourself, please use it. So yeah, I think what we're going to do is let's go quickly through this website itself. So what you can do with this robot is you can go and extract data. Then you can also schedule the monitoring of that data. So if there are any websites, if any changes on that website, it can be monitored on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. Even you can go as little as an hourly or minute changes. It can be recorded here. Obviously, it does cost you credits to do it, but it's something we're going to cover later on. And also, what you can do, you can pre-build robots. Okay, so you can pre-build those robots and browse pre-built robots for popular use cases and start using them right away. So once you create your robot, and if that robot has been created for specific task on particular website, but you have those websites which they are very similar to each other, you can use the same robot for other use cases. Okay, so that's quite handy. Okay, so what is also available through Browse AI, you can link that through the API with different other softwares like Zapier, for example, like .com, Webhook, Google Sheets, and others. Okay, so it's quite handy. You can automate many of those tasks. Okay, so plus plus you can do plus 7,000 other integrations are available. Okay, so there you go. Why people use Browse AI? So you can scrape structured data with no code, emulate user interactions, extract location-based data globally, solve captures, and orchestrate robots using protocols. Start for free, pay as you grow. Yeah, so you can start for free, and then once you familiarize yourself with the software, then you decide that yeah, I want to jump on it. So you buy some credits on a monthly or annual basis. If you use it for let's say you just use it for a monthly basis, you can buy some more and so on and so forth. So you don't have to spend more money and you for the credits you're not going to use. If you start using it more often, you can buy more credits. Okay. So you can bulk around 50,000 robots at once. So you can actually perform a task or like up to 50,000 robots. That's a lot. So it's a bulk extraction is available here. Extract data on a specific schedule, handle pagination scrolling, integrate with 7,000 plus implications, auto adapt the site layout changes there in 5 minutes. So this should be pretty straightforward. There you go. So there are some other informations here. There's also some frequently asked questions available for you guys. But okay, let's go and log in using our email address, and I'll show you guys how it's all work. Okay, and once we log in, we will have the interface looking just like that. Okay, so we can start with create on robots right away, and then you can also go to the workflows. But to do the workflows, you need to have at least two active robots. So we need to definitely start with this one here. There are also APIs available. Okay, so you can go and create your API key, and then you can make with those 7,000 plus different applications we spoke about earlier. And let's go quickly through the subscriptions available. Okay, so we are starting for free. They are available 50 credits for us. Okay, and those be reset on a monthly basis. Okay, so, yeah, you're on a free plan right now. Get 50 credits per month for free forever. Okay, so once we're on the free plan, 50 credits are available for you for forever, and those will be re-added into your account on a monthly basis. Okay, there are two options. You can pay for this tool if you decided to go and pay for this tool. Okay, because obviously with 50 credits, there's a limited amount of task you can perform. Okay, so you can go and choose between the monthly and yearly. Okay, let's stay with the yearly for the moment because there is a option 20% off if you choose the yearly option. Okay, we can start off with $19 a month. Okay, and we have 10,000 credits available. Uh, with the certain features, you get 10,000 credits per year, okay? 10 robots you can use and create with this particular subscription plan. Concurrent tasks, infinite concurrent task, and 1 hour checks. Okay, so you can do those checks. For example, if you want to do those checks on the website, you can do those checks on the hourly basis. Okay, and when you go to professional plan for $99, uh, you're gonna have that's per month, but billed annually. Remember that, okay? And this one here is $99 per month, billed annually, and you get 60,000 credits per year available, very similar to others. Okay, just got it instead of 10, 20 credits, still concurrent task, infinite concurrent task, but you can do those checks on the 50 minutes basis. Okay, so instead of 1 hour, this it probably will be checking your website and extracting data every 15 minutes. Okay, there you go. And when it comes to the teams, you got also available plan for full $249 billed annually. That's $249 per month billed annually. You can 120 credits available and so on and so forth. 30 robots, 5 minutes checks. So here on the starter plan, you have a 1 hour checks. Basically, robot comes to your website every 1 hour and checks if there are any changes been made. Here every 5 minutes. Okay. So obviously you can go and increase those credits by doing so. Those plans will go up, obviously, because for 240 40,000 credits, you obviously will be paying much more. If you want to go to the monthly instead, you can start with 2,000 credits for 48.75, and you can go up all the way to 311 and dollars 25 cents for 10,000 credits. Okay, so definitely if you need something, if you know that this tool might be useful for you, at this way of calculating what is more suitable plan for you guys. Okay, so let's go and now let's go and create some robot here. Okay, so we click on it, and now we just need to check some website and see what type of data we want to go and create. So let's go and choose one of the websites. So we're going to be extracting data from. Okay, so for purposes of this video, we will be using the My channel on YouTube. Okay, so what we need to do is we just want to go ahead and copy this URL and paste it here, which I already done it. Okay, and we need to start training our robot. Okay, there are a couple of things we can do. Okay, so we can use Chrome extension, okay, or we can use Robot Studio. Okay, so you don't have to install anything here. Okay, so let's go and try this one without any sort of installation. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's preparing the interface for us. It's only taking about a few seconds before it's been completed. Just let's give us another a couple of seconds. Okay, so here we go. It's our channel. Okay, and the video tab has been chosen, and there you go. That's what it is. Now, what we want to do? We can go do a couple of things. We can go and capture text, or we can capture screenshots here. And also, what do we want to do? here. So basically, we just need to train our what is we actually looking to get out of this software. Okay, so to begin, navigate to the page you would like to extract data from, then choose an option below. Okay, so I don't know, let's go and choose okay, so let's go and check what is for us to needed to be extracted from this particular page. Okay, so let's go and for example, let's capture text and do this from the list. Okay, so what we have to do, we just have to click, for example, on this one. And what we'll be doing, we'll be extracting data, which will be like we need this part of the information. Then we also need the title of the video, how many views, okay, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this is the information will be needed. Visible text, okay, so HTML will also be taken. Okay, so invisible text detected in code, choose a text to capture a processor to cancel. Okay, so visible text definitely we want to get and get one of those, and that's all what will be detected from us. Okay, so those two things will be taken by this. Okay, now let's go and click enter. Okay, now we need to choose how do we want to call this piece of information will be extracting. Okay, so in this one, definitely will be a title. Okay, now second thing will be views. Okay, and there we go. Okay, so now here we go. It's only take a few seconds. And this is all being taken by this information. Okay, so title was taken and the views. Okay, inside the views there were also because the views were inside the YouTube, the views were actually merged when it comes to the code with this information about the title and how long ago the video was posted. That's why it was also provided here for us. Okay, but it took like a second for this tool to extract this few informations, okay, for us. um so now what is the maximum number of rows you want to extract? Okay, so every 10 rows extracted consumes 1 credit. Okay, so every 10 rows you'll be taking a 1 credit for it. So remember, if we are on a free plan we get only 50 credits here. So for those 50 credits we'll be able to extract 500 rows basically according to this calculation. Okay, so we can choose either the 10, we can choose 100, or we can do the custom value here, and we can go up as many as we want. Remember, it's all based on the credits. Okay. Now you also want to go and pagination. You can go and select the pagination. There's no more items to load. Scroll down to load for my items and so on and so forth. Okay, so these options also be there available for you if you want to go and navigate through this software. And if you are happy with all those settings, you can go and just save the captured list, or you can cancel and start over again. Okay. So guys, I think it'll be enough for this video. If you want to hear more about this project, just let me know inside the comments, and I'll be happy to do a short video regarding this. And as mentioned before, I'm just including the link to this software inside the description of this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and also if you can subscribe to my channel, it'd be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.